Alright, so I figured out there's no real good place to put your registration on the monkey. So what I'm going to try to do is find a spot in the little tool kit or side cover area. So I'm going to pop it off by hitting these little plugs. Then you got your tool kit that is held in by a little rubber band thing. So we're just going to pop that off, actually. So you kind of have to fold it up a couple times. We got a little Ziploc bag. It's not pretty, but it'll work. Hopefully you'll never need it, because that means you're getting pulled over. So, quick and dirty. And then putting it back in. It's pretty simple. Just clip the little tabs into the top slots. Make sure the tabs are in. I found it easier to pop them out. Well, that's actually the only way. So you pop the little tabs out. And simple. Put the pin in. Push the little, pop the main little lock part in. And there you go. The registration's in there. And if you ever need to take it out, obviously you know how to use that. I showed you that in my walkover video. So there you go, your registration in the side pocket or the side case of your Monkey 125.